Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put on Razer Kraken ear cushion, full guide. Start by peeling the old cushion off the ear cup frame using gentle, even pressure to expose the mounting groove. Clean the groove with a damp cloth and mild soap, removing dust and oils so the new cushion seats securely. Align the new cushion lip with the groove, then press around the perimeter until it snaps evenly into place. I like to take a calm, patient approach when removing the old cushion to avoid damage. Begin by holding the ear cup steady and working one side of the cushion lip away from the frame. Gradually continue around the cup until the cushion pops free, taking care not to rip the foam or fabric. If it resists, warm it slightly with your hands to loosen adhesives or stiff edges. Quick recommendation: if you like keeping things neat while you game or work, consider leak-proof meal prep containers as a small convenience upgrade. They make transporting soup, sauces, or salads spill-free, so your desk and bags stay clean while you swap cushions or tweak audio settings. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. When installing the new cushion, start by checking orientation so any cable ports align correctly. Fit one edge of the cushion over the ear cup and slowly stretch the lip so it seats into the groove. Move around the cup, pressing small sections firmly until the entire cushion snaps in. Give the cushion a final inspection and a gentle tug to ensure it is secure and evenly seated for comfortable use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.